Camellia japonica, known as common camellia or Japanese camellia, is a species of camellia which is a flowering plant. There are thousands of cultivars in cultivation with many colors and forms of flowers. In the US, it is sometimes called japonica. In the wild, it is found in mainland China, Taiwan, southern Korea, and southwestern Japan. It grows in forests at altitudes of around 300 to 1100 meters. Camellia Autumn Spring is a rose-colored double flower, edged in a deep lavender, standing out beautifully against the very dark blue-green foliage. The blooms vary in shape and form, sometimes being a formal double and sometimes resembling a pinwheel. In mild areas, the plant can bloom all season long, from early to mid-fall through the winter and into spring. In cooler areas, blooms are produced from mid to late winter through early to mid-spring. Camellias prefer a fertile, moist, but well-drained acidic soil. Constantly soggy soil is a slow killer. Water only enough during the first year after planting to keep the soil moist, not soggy or wet. Your new camellia should not need regular watering after the first, except during the extended periods of dry weather. Camellias do best in partial shade or filtered sun. Avoid afternoon direct sun. When it comes to choosing camellia plant companions, consider plants such as hostas, rhododendrons, ferns, or azaleas. Camellias are shallow-rooted plants, which means they won't thrive next to trees or shrubs with long, complex root systems. For instance, you may want to avoid willows or elms. Autumn Spring is a larger growing camellia that is useful to create colorful evergreen hedges or screens. It can also be useful in any partially shaded environment as a specimen shrub or limbed up to form an attractive small evergreen tree. It is perfect for use in espalier, trained to grow flat against a large open wall or as a corner plant in home foundation plantings. The leaves of the species are rich in anti-inflammatory terpenoids.